Hi guys, I'm Greg. Welcome to Grade. I'm here to give you some tips to help you prepare for your IELTS test. Okay, I want to show you how to paraphrase the question on writing task 2 of your IELTS test. Why is this important? Well, this is your chance to make a great first impression with the examiner. You can show the examiner your wide range of vocabulary, and you can also show how you can transform grammar. We're going to look at these two things in this example. So I'll give you a chance to read it. Now, what's important for me to note is that you're only going to paraphrase the statement given, which is long distance flights consume natural resources and pollute the air. Some people suggest long distance travel should be restricted. You don't need to paraphrase the next question. Only paraphrase the statement. Here is one which I think you should definitely remember. The expression "some people" pops up on many exam questions, and this can be paraphrased nicely with the expression "certain individuals." So remember that one. Suggest, I'm going to paraphrase to argue for. And here is our first example of grammar transformation. So we're given a passive voice phrase in the statement, and we can actually change the order here, and we can have the phrase, the restriction of long-haul flights. I'm using a synonym for long-distance travel. I've paraphrased that to long-haul flights. The next thing I'm trying to do is to be very concise, and I thought natural resources and the air can be nicely paraphrased as the environment. But I'm now left with two sentences, and it's very important to try and be concise with your writing on this test. So I'm going to get rid of "this is." And I don't want to be repetitive. I have two instances of long-haul flights. I'm going to replace the second one with a pronoun. What we can see here is my final one-sentence paraphrasing of the statement. So I'll give you a chance to review that. Okay, just to review, transform grammar wherever possible. In the example I just did, we went from passive voice to active voice. You can go the other way around as well. Use synonyms, especially words which are less frequently used. Don't worry if you can't always think of a synonym. You can also use a different form of a word. For example, explore can be paraphrased to exploring. So jump onto Grade now and practice your paraphrasing.